Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and please subscribe my YouTube channel and like the video. And if you have any query, then comment in comment box, and please watch video on PC and laptop for clear vision. And our today topic is introduction to enterprise computing, and this is a part of the specialization of IBM Z operating system mainframe practitioner professional certificate, and this is a part of cloud computing under in cloud computing and offered by IBM. And in this video I will discuss whole complete quiz solution and practice quiz solution of this course. Now go to the course. This is a introduction to enterprise computing under cloud computing, and the week 1 first is the practice quiz solution, and the first question answer is digital design and instruction set procedure. And the question number 2 answer is it is a set of rules and method that describe the functionality. And the question number 3 answer is the runs on the top of the operating system. Now go to the week 1 other practice quiz, and virtualization practice quiz answer. And the first question answer is a storage, and the second question answer is a frame, and the third question is page, and the fourth question is slot. Now the part 3 week 1 part 1 complete. Practice quiz operating system. Question number first answer is a communication management, second is resource management, and the third is new. Now discuss week 1 part 4, and the part 4 is the mainframe operating system. First question answer is a support element, the second is the CICS, and the third is the TSO time sharing option. Now I will discuss week 1 final quiz solution, and this is a week 1 graded quiz solution. The week 1 graded quiz, and the first question answer is a firmware, and the second is software and hardware, and the third question answer is a compiler, and the fourth question answer is inventory jobs, and the fifth question answer is a map of storage available to application and user, and the question number 6th answer is a paging, and the question number 7th answer is a CP, and the question number 8th answer is a parsing dataset, and the question number 9th is wrong, and the question number 10th answer is ready. Now go to the week 2 practice quiz and main quiz solution. First I will discuss practice quiz solution of week 2, and the first is the why use mainframe. And the first question answer is a power supply, CPU, cooling, and network adapters. And the question number 2 answer is a bank account balance query. Question number 3rd is payroll. Now go to the week 2 part 2 quiz solution, and the part 1 and the part 2 is Sysplex. First question answer is a serve time protocol, second is 32, and the last third is TSO. Now go to the week 2 final quiz solution, week 2 graded quiz solution. And the first question answer is of true, and the second question answer is a 1, and the third question answer is a cross system coupling facility, And the question number fourth answer is workload manager. And the question number fifth answer is ANIS is a computer hardware component, and so on. And the question number sixth answer is a virtual storage access method. And the question number seventh answer is a user interface to a server, and so on. And the question number eighth answer is defines a standard method to access and update information in a directory. The question number ninth answer is GDPS stands for geographical dispersed parallel simplex. And this is the last question of the week 2 quiz solution. Now go to the week 3 quiz solution. Week 3 practice quiz solution is a part 1 ZOS security. And the first question answer is the confidentiality, integrity and availability. The second is wrong, and the third is resource manager. Now go to the week 3 second quiz practice quiz solution, and this is the transaction level security. First question answer is a symmetric, second wrong, third is CPACF. Now go to the week 3 practice quiz part 3, and the Crypto Express key management. And the first question answer is a better performance, and the second question answer is a secure key, and third is a clear key. This is a practice quiz last. Now go to the final assignment of week 3. In this also have a practice quiz. Now go to the fourth practice quiz, IOCDS. The first question answer is the IOCP, and the third is the PCHID. Now go to the week 3 practice quiz solution, and the practice quiz activation profiles. Second question answer is a load, and the third question answer is support elements. And my first question is wrong. If you know this answer, then comment in comment box, and this is also helpful for other students. And the practice quiz is iPling and operating system. And the first question answer is a SYSRES, SYSRES. And the second question answer is the IODF, device manager. Now go to the week 3 final quiz solution, and this is a week 3 graded quiz answer. And this week 3 graded quiz have 17 question. Second question answer is the hardware security module, and the third question answer is the link address. Fourth is OSC, and the fifth is all of these options. And the question number 6 is wrong. Question number 7 is reset, and the question number 8 is POR. And the question number 9 is SYSRES, and the question number 10th is HMC and SE. And the question number 11th is the reset. The question number 12th is 7. The question number 13 is IPL, and the question number 14th answer is IODF, and the question number 15th is pervasive encryption. Now to the 16th question, answer is public key encryption. and please subscribe my YouTube channel if this video helped you. And the question number 17 answer is CPACF. And if you have any query, then comment in comment box. Thanking for you watching my YouTube channel and video. Thanks.